unang tingin, akala mo it's your typical gym. But it's more than that. This place is home to one of the most sacred martial arts that was invented in the Philippines. Sayaw Kamatayan, or popularly known as Yaoyan, is a true Filipino martial art. And you can learn it here, in the Yaoyan Buhawi Gym in Marikina.
Hi, I'm Rhea from Yaoyan Buhawi, and welcome to my sports hub.
Yaoyan is certainly one of the most unique martial arts in the world, and the Yaoyan Buhawi Gym doesn't only teach Yaoyan, but also trains future MMA fighters.
Yaoyan Buhawi has to offer is a unique kind of striking, wrestling, and submission grappling. Since 2004, nag-uumpisa na po akong bumuo ng isang grupo na kung saan lahat sila may hilig sa martial arts. So, napag-isipan namin na bakit hindi nilang kami magtayo ng isang gym. So, na-introduce naman ito sa public noong 2007. And I start teaching these kids. Natuto naman sila at lumaban ng tournament at nagpapanalo. So, that's how it started. Marami dito sa Yaoyan Buhawi, mga bata na hindi na nag-aaral, hindi nagtatrabaho. Ito yung mga kinukuha ko and train them instead of mag-drug sila. Wishing na maging hanap buhay nila ito balang araw, palaging iniisip ng Yaoyan Buhawi na hindi lang sa martial arts, kundi maging mabuti kang isang tao.
And get this, if you got the talent to be an MMA fighter, Yaoyan Buhawi Gym also offers free schooling for future budding champs.
If you're interested to join Yaoyan Buhawi at gusto nyong mag-training, I can give you a free training. And guaranteed, wala kayong gagastusin sa training ninyo. And let's see, baka ma-develop ko kayo bilang isang mabuting fighter at isang mabuting tao.